Hi guys, I realized that the last time I made an unboxing video, it was last April, like April 2015, which was my first video on this channel. So I decided to make a video which was similar to that one. So this video is unboxing or opening of the June Fab bag. It shouldn't even be opening, it's more like unzipping because it's a bag. I'm so lame. Okay, so the June Fab bag, the June 2016 Fab bag looks like this. And yes, so I really like this bag a lot because the last time I bought a Fab bag, it was in December 2015, and that one was comparatively plain. Like, it was black as well, it was in a heart shape and had a small handle, but this one is way better. And before placing the order, when I actually was looking through the pictures, there are four types, so you can get any one of these, and all of them have some sort of amazingly makeup-y coat on it. But I love this bag a lot. Like, I'm going to use it regularly as well. You get 4 products in the Fab bag and it costs you only 600, which is a very good deal because you're getting products which are worth around 2,500 to 3,000. So this one, oh yeah, when you're ordering it, you get to choose which shade you want, and there are like I think 6 to 7 options, and I took the one in the shade The Boss, and it's this shade which is kind of coppery, and it's really smooth. I tried it out, and even though it doesn't really look as good on my eyes as I thought it would when I saw the picture, I'm still okay with it. I'll just use it somehow. Anyway, I don't use eyeshadow much, but it's really smooth, and there are options in colors, so you can go for anything, and it settles well. You need to blend it like you blend your normal eyeshadow as well. So that's there, and the quantity is quite a lot. Like, you just roll it like this. Yeah, so the original price is 1200 and you're getting 4 products at a really cheap rate, so that's amazing, I guess. Sorry, that was a plain word. Yeah, so this is a coffee body scrub, and it is fragrance free, preservative free and paraben free, and it's 100% natural body exfoliator. I mean, it seems pretty good, though I would have appreciated if the packaging was a little better, but come on, you're getting a lot of it in a cheap rate. The next one is a tea tree face wash with tea tree oil. Now, you can get tea tree face washes and like any kind of facial products which have the tea tree contents in the market, and they are very costly. Like, I don't know the price for this, but I know that tea tree ones are comparatively pricey. And this is because tea tree is very effective for all kinds of facial issues. Like, I know people who have used a tea tree cleanser, and it works really well, and it kind of helps with acne as well, as far as I have heard. I don't have acne prone skin, so I can't give you an opinion on that. And yeah, I look forward to using this because I always wanted to try one anyway. And this is by Nyasa, and I love this because the face scrub that I had got from Fab bag last time was by Nyasa, and it was amazing. So I look forward to trying this face wash as well. The last thing that we have here is Shea Butter by they haven't really mentioned it. Wild East African Shea Butter, which is 100% natural, or so they claim. Let's see, I don't know. I haven't used this. I never really had shea butter ever. Like, I never used it, I never bought it, and as far as I know, it's kind of costly. I don't know how much it costs, I never checked that, but it has a lot of effects. It's good for your skin. I have also read it's good for your hair, but I don't know how you use it on your hair, but it's good for your skin as well, and it has a lot of advantages. Like, I really don't know how you use it. I have never used it, but I will look forward to seeing how this is used. Along with this, I have a renewal of a coupon which is valid till 31st July. So that's there. Then they have, oh, this is like a custom printed thank you letter. Oh no, it's not like a thank you letter. They have kind of mentioned all the products here and the prices for it. So I'll put a picture of this here so that you get an idea of the prices of the products included in the June Fab bag. And oh, there is some contest, like, okay, so there's this in my Fab bag contest. You need to put a picture of your June Fab bag on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter and tag them and use this hashtag, and 10 lucky winners are going to get Palladio Big Chick lipstick. I hope I win. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you already haven't. And I don't know if you noticed, I changed my channel art and now it's looking really good. Anyway, yeah, so that's it. And the June Fab bag costs you 600, which is very cheap. So I guess it's a good deal and you should order. Bye.